Hey everyone, this is a video to accompany my blog post on how to provision and manage self-hosted virtual machines on Linux using Ansible and Terraform. And you can follow along with the how-to guide below, but this is just going to be a demonstration of the final results. As you can see here, just going to demonstrate on video. So we just come over to a terminal and we can check the state of virtualization on the system. And we can see there's nothing running right, so we'll go into the infrastructure lab, into the Terraform folder and run Terraform apply. And you can check the output first, so we're going to create the virtual machine and the disk and update the Ansible inventory, and we'll also set up all the networking. We'll confirm that. And on my machine, it takes about a minute to provision everything. So as you can see, everything was created successfully, and Terraform was also output the private IP of the virtual machine. So we're going to go ahead and SSH over to that to check the state of the machine. And this will work because I've already set up the SSH server onto the base image of the machine as shown in the guide. We do have to accept the connection because the IP has changed. So if we check the state of the machine, we can see that the tmux package, for instance, is not installed. And the point of this lab is we're going to use Ansible to configure the state of the machine to install this package. So if we move over to the Ansible directory, and we check the inventory, we can see that the IP has been updated by Terraform. And if we check the playbook, we can see we're going to just install this package onto the machine with tmux. And the way we do this is we just invoke Ansible playbook, passing in the inventory file and the playbook we wish to run. And then the Ansible will SSH over to the machine and install the package. And as you can see, it's finished successfully. It's reported that one thing has changed, which is the package install. If we were to run this again, it will just say nothing could be changed because we already reached the desired state of the system. And similarly, actually, if we try to run the Terraform again, it's just going to say no changes required, right? Your infrastructure is already in your desired state. So if we SSH back over to the virtual machine and we invoke the tmux command again, you can see that we get this application up and running that we've now installed using Ansible. Yeah, that's about it for the demonstration. The last thing you might want to do is just to tear down your resources. So you just come over and run Terraform destroy. To clean everything up, because we do have ephemeral infrastructure now, thanks to the infrastructure as code. Yeah, so thanks for watching this video. I want to extend this project to spin up a few virtual machines and maybe run a Kubernetes cluster on them using kubeadm to bootstrap one as the control plane and a couple as the worker nodes. But I'll probably write another blog post about that when I finish it. So thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe if you want to see more projects like this. Thanks.